Located in Ashland in the area of Old Bellefonte is this beautiful two-story brick home, boasting over 5,000 square feet, including 4 bedrooms, 4 full baths, and 2 half baths. Experience the warmth and style of the grand foyer, which flows directly into the formal living and dining rooms. Gather for family meals in the updated gourmet kitchen, which is fully equipped with an island and eat-in area. Attached to the kitchen is the spacious family room with vaulted ceiling and gas fireplace. It's a great space to relax. Upstairs is the gorgeous private bath with jetted tub, separate shower, and double sinks. The finished basement offers an additional family room, a second kitchen with bar, and large recreation area perfect for entertaining family and friends. Make this wonderful house your forever home.